Hi, this is Emily. This is my video for the multimedia presentation. I did my AI photo on a different computer, and I logged in and was thinking that it was gonna be on here in like the My Creations thing, but it's not. So I'm going to go through the steps of how to use the AI thing. So go here, and for the other one, I typed in Sweden because we are doing Sweden as a country we're going to go to, and then I did oil usage. It's one of the main things that we're focusing on in our acronym, and on the trip over there. Then I put nature and then water. I don't think it's going to come out the same, but we'll see. And then I decided on this night cafe style, and then create it. My Wi-Fi is kind of slow, so it might take a couple minutes. Okay, but while that's loading, this is the photo that came out in the first one, the first setting that I did. And the quality is not as good when I transferred it over, but you can kind of see like the water and the like oil spill in the water, but you can't really make out that it is like Sweden. So we're probably gonna have to do it a couple more times. But let me make it bigger again. But yeah, you can see like I also added nature in the last one too, so I think that's where like the grass and stuff comes in from. But you can definitely see how it like incorporated like the water from the word that I put, and then the oil usage, and then nature. I'm not too sure what that is though, so hopefully with this new photo it'll come out a little bit better. But yeah, this one's a little bit better. It's harder to make out what is going on here. Like I definitely don't see like, I can't tell what's going on with the water. In the last one I did like Sweden, I think I did nature and then oil usage and then water last. So maybe just like those couple of word differences made a difference, but I don't know why this is on fire over here. I don't know if oil usage has to do with anything like exploding. I haven't really heard that in a while, so I don't know what that's about. I don't really know what this is either, but it's a pretty photo nonetheless. It's just I'm a little confused on what's going on here. But on the final one that we decide to go with, it'll probably be a little bit more clear and a lot more easier to decipher. But that's it. That's my video.